Hello, welcome my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuvir Deshpande would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you know that I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, that is Kaya Chikitsa and Kriya Sharir, double post-graduation. Today's topic is again a South Indian very special Kashaya, Karimbirumbadi Kashayam. Karimbirumbadi Kashayam drug review. So let us start with this drug review. But before that, you must note that my WhatsApp number is 9226810630. So let us start to discuss about Karimbirumbadi Kashayam. This is the best tonic as an immuno booster because this can be given in the deficient immunity. Whenever any patient comes to you for the repeated type of infections, it may be the upper respiratory tract infections, it may be the digestive tract infections. So whenever there is an infection, you must suspect why this patient is having repeatedly getting some cold, cough, fever, pneumonia. Why? Because of the poor immunity. And Ayurveda believes that sarve api rogaha mandegno, because sarva api rogaha, all the diseases are created because of the poor digestion according to Ayurveda. Agni mand hone ke karan, because of the deficient metabolic process in your body, you get sufferings from the different diseases. Rogaha sarve api mandegno. Write down. Rogaha sarve api mandegno. And this Karimbirumbadi Kashaya will take care of the correcting the digestive system. It will correct the abdominal gas and flatulence. Naturally, when your immunity is boosted up, it will help to reduce your fatigue and also breathlessness type problem. But especially if your chronic fatigue and breathlessness, you must check your hematological investigations, especially hemogram and ESR. Whenever the patient complains having weakness or fatigue or dyspnea on exertion, first primarily cheap test is doing hemoglobin. And if you find that the patient is suffering from iron deficiency anemia, morphologically microcytic, microchromic. Cytic means size and chroma means color. Microcytic, microchromic, iron deficiency anemia, Karimbirumbadi Kashayam you must use because it contains Loha Bhasma, iron. Appetite stimulating and digestive drugs are coupled with Loha Bhasma, that is Karimbirumbadi Kashaya. Here you can see Rumbu is the Malayalam term for iron and Karimbu for sugarcane. Rimbu for iron and Karimbu for sugarcane. So these are two important ingredients in Karimbirumbadi Kashaya. Now, for the iron deficiency anemia, you can get the patient is complaining of hair fall, then there may be dry and pale acne prone skin, koilonychia. What is this koilonychia? Very special term. Your nails, check the nails. Nails are concave, spoon shaped nails. This is very important for iron deficiency anemia. Platynychia. Nychia means nail. Platy means flat. Usually, everybody should have convex nails. But here, the nails first become flat and then become concave. Then in iron deficiency, you get breathlessness, dyspnea on exertion, chronic fatigue, weight gain, whole body edema, hypoproteinemia, poor liver function. But most important is paleness. Paleness of the conjunctiva. As you can see my template, there I have shown you the figure how the iron deficiency anemia, paleness of the conjunctiva looks like. So conjunctiva and nail infection is very important. Sorry, not infection, examination is most important in anemic condition. Karimbirumbadi Kashaya is an excellent source of iron to supplement dietary intake of iron and maintain the optimal level of iron in the body. So, Karimbirumbadi Kashayam. It improves the liver health and all metabolic process. Naturally, it will tackle the problem Rogaha Sarve Api Mandegnau, Rogaha Sarve Api Mandegnau. So that original problem will be vanished and your immunity will be boosted up. Karimbirumbadi Kashayam is effective in managing lifestyle diseases like hypertension. Of course, it is a supportive supplementary medicine, poor thyroid functions, diabetes mellitus, and also abnormal weight gain, that is obesity. Okay. Karimbirumbadi Kashaya contains Punarnava, Borhavia diffusa. This is basically Ayurvedic Shothagni in Sanskrit. That is a diuretic also, but diuretic, it will not lose the electrolyte balance. So potassium sparing diuretic. And this, you can see the word Punar Nava. Nava means new. Punar again. Again new cells will be regenerated. So regeneration is always possible whenever you use the Punarnava. Here is a spelling mistake. Please excuse me for that. This is Punarnava. It is also having analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties like NSD, NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, which is extremely beneficial in reducing the joint and muscle pain, reducing the chances of chronic autoimmune inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Next content, Sharakara, commonly known as sugarcane. The roots are used for therapeutic purposes. This sugarcane is aphrodisiac. What is that? Arousal of the sexual desire. It is also laxative, cooling, demulcent, antiseptic, and tonic. Sugarcane, because a lot of carbohydrates are there, very useful in the jaundice patients. Haritaki, next ingredient of Karimbirumbadi Kashaya, terminal H. Shabula, popularly known as Indian walnut. Extremely valuable to improve the hair problems, hair growth, hair health. It is useful for treating the scalp infections like dandruff, itching, and hair fall. It also strengthens hair from the roots, prevents the breakage and loss of hair, and bestows the silky and soft smooth hair with this haritaki, which is the ingredient of Karimbirumbadi Kashaya. Haritaki is also one of the important ingredients in Triphala. Haritaki, Bibitaka, that is Beheda, and Amalaki. Haritaka, Bibitaki, and Amalaki, three fruits are called as Triphala. Triphala is the best tonic for improving digestive function. It will give you the guarantee of digestive tract works at optimal levels. In Ayurvedic pharmacopoeia, this Triphala powder is also mentioned as indication as intermittent fevers and chronic fevers, anemia, and polyuria. Haritaki can also be used to treat gastrointestinal and respiratory problems. Now next, Karimbirumbadi Bala. Bala is a Sida cordifolia Lin. This is the best tonic to strengthen the muscles. Bala is a strength. Bala is equal to strength. The English meaning of this Sanskrit Bala word is a strength, physical strength. This is astringent, emollient, and aphrodisiac. Internally, Bala is believed to be very effective as a nervine tonic, rasayana, that is tonics, for all dhatu kshayjanya vata prakopa. Dhatu kshayjanya, whenever there is a degeneration, whenever there is a deficiency of any dhatu, you used Bala with Karimbirumbadi. That means Bala is a content of Karimbirumbadi Kashaya. Next, the Manduk Parni, Centella sciatica, is a nervine tonic also, enhance the learning, academic performance, and improves the mental ability in the children. Anti-anxiety in the adults, used to treat several mental disorders. This is also calm the restlessness in the children, very useful in hyperactive disorder in the children, ADHD. Do you know this word? ADHD. I have the video on this. Attention deficit hyperactive disorder. It is used as a nootropic, that is drug that enhances the cognitive ability. Chincha, Tamarindus indica, is the next indication of Karimbirumbadi Kashayam. Tamarind is also known as Indian date, sweet and sour fruit, integral part of Indian cuisine and has many health benefits. Tamarind is best for constipation due to the laxative property. It also boosts the immunity because it is rich in vitamin C. So it is also useful whenever there is a repeated cold, allergic rhinitis, vasomotor rhinitis. This particular chincha can be used. Tamarind, Karimbirumbadi Kashaya. Tamarind powder might also help to manage the blood sugar as well as insulin levels. That receptors are increased and considered for the best for the diabetic patients. Also beneficial for people who wants to reduce the weight because it helps to decrease the food cravings and thereby it can prevent the overeating. Next ingredient of Karimbirumbadi Kashayam is Loha Basma, most important ingredient, purified iron. This is Ayurvedic iron preparation, best for iron deficiency anemia, microcytic hypochromic, kapha disorders, loss of appetite, and obesity. Because it also has a lekhana, scrapping property. So it burns the excessive fat. In Ayurveda, it is used for the diseases of blood, rakta dhatu, muscles, mausa dhatu, heart, hridaya, liver, and spleen. Hepatomegaly and splenomegaly, that Karimbirumbadi Kashaya, because it contains loha basma. The dose is 50 to 2 to 4 teaspoon mixed with equal amount of water, boiled and cooled water twice a day on empty stomach. Rasayan is always given immunoboosting in the empty stomach. In the children, the dose is less, 1 to 2 teaspoon, that is 10 to 15 ml mixed with the 30 to 40 double water. You have to mix the double water on the empty stomach. My dear friends, although it is the best video for getting the knowledge, but I little bit warn you that disclaimer, वैधानिक इशारा, कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्य के सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है. If anybody of you suffering from idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, anemia, diabetes, hypertension, yes, for the paid online consultation, you can WhatsApp me on 9226810630. I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button icon to get the very interesting videos. My dear friend, there is a very interesting Android mobile app prepared by me, and there are a lot of interesting programs. Pay one time and enjoy the lifetime. For example, know about Ayurvedic medicine. You will get the details over there. So you can also purchase that, download the app from the Play Store. Okay. I wish all the best. Take care and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.